Hey adventurers, ready to level up your outdoor cooking game? Today, we're diving into the best camping stoves of 2024. Whether you're backpacking solo or cooking for the whole crew, we've got the perfect options lined up. Let's get into it and find your ultimate camp kitchen setup. First up, we've got the Eureka Ignite camping stove, and it's perfect for all you campers who want something compact yet powerful. This green beauty has two 10,000 BTU burners, so whether you're making coffee or cooking up a full meal, it's got you covered. You'll love the two-turn simmer controls, perfect for adjusting the flame just right, from a gentle simmer to full blast. With 90 minutes of burn time per propane canister on max flame, you'll be good to go for most of your cooking needs. The push-button igniter means no more fumbling with matches, and it easily fits two 10-inch pans, so cooking for a small group is a breeze. Plus, cleanup is easy with the stainless steel drip tray. Built with rugged, thick-gauge steel, this stove is designed to last for years. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip or building your emergency survival kit, the Eureka Ignite is an essential piece of gear. And with JetLink compatibility, you can link it up with other Eureka stoves for some next-level camp kitchen setups. All right, let's dive into the Coleman Triton Plus 2-burner propane camping stove. If you're looking for serious power in a compact package, this one's your go-to. With 22,000 BTUs cranking out between its two burners, you're basically set to cook up a feast anywhere. Beach, backyard, tailgating, you name it. It's got a push-button ignition, so you'll be grilling in no time. And don't worry about the wind ruining your flame, because it has dual wind guards that keep things steady. Plus, the perfect flow and perfect heat technology let you adjust the heat like a pro, from a gentle simmer to full-on cooking power. You can easily fit a 12-inch and 10-inch pans side by side. And when you're done, cleanup's a breeze with its removable grate. Toss it in the car with its built-in handle and latch, and you're ready for your next adventure. One propane cylinder, and you're good to go for about an hour on high. Next up, we've got the One GS-3400P, and this one is all about flexibility. Why? Because it runs on both propane and butane, so whether you've got one or the other, you're covered. Perfect for emergencies, camping trips, or even your home preparedness kit. It's compact, super portable, and comes with its own carrying case, which makes it easy to toss in the car and go. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use with a built-in automatic ignition. No matches needed here. And let's not forget the dual fuel capability that ensures you're never left without a way to cook, whether you're out in the wild or dealing with an emergency. It's tough, reliable, and can handle whatever you throw at it. Seriously, it's the perfect backup plan for any outdoor adventure or home emergency kit. If you're all about that outdoor cooking life, the Naturehike 2 burner folding camping stove is going to be your new best friend. This bad boy pumps out a solid 16,000 BTU across two independent burners, which means you've got the firepower to whip up a feast no matter where you are. It's super portable too. It folds up so you can easily carry it around. And when you're ready to cook, just unfold, hook up the isobutane fuel, and you're good to go. The piezo ignition makes it match-free and hassle-free, and the best part? It even comes with a griddle. Whether you're frying up some breakfast or grilling burgers, this stove's got you covered. Plus, you can control each burner independently, so you can simmer on one side and go full blast on the other. Perfect for campsite chefs looking to impress. Last but not least, we've got the KOMAN camping propane stove, which is the perfect compact option for those who love to keep things simple and efficient. With 10,000 BTUs on a single burner, this little powerhouse is ideal for all your basic outdoor cooking needs. Whether you're brewing up coffee at sunrise or cooking up dinner after a long day of hiking, this stove has you covered. It runs on a standard 16-ounce propane cylinder, making it super easy to fuel. Just grab one from any camping store. It's lightweight and portable, so it won't weigh down your backpack, and it's perfect for solo trips, quick camping getaways, or even a backup for your tailgating setup. No frills, just solid performance. And that wraps up our list of the best camping stoves of 2024. Whether you need something compact for a solo trip or a powerhouse for cooking up a storm, there's a stove here for every outdoor enthusiast. If you found your perfect camping companion, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which stove you'll be taking on your next adventure. See you out there,